Welcome back for another home tour. Today I am in Midlothian, Virginia in the Rountrey community. This is actually one of my favorite communities in the Richmond area. It's actually just 25 minutes from downtown Richmond, and I am in the mid-low modern section of the Rountrey community. It is absolutely beautiful. There are several builders who build out here, but what's unique about this section of the community is that all of the homes have a modern elevation. Today I am in Lifestyle Builders Homes. It is their Olivia floor plan, and this particular home has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. It has a 2-car garage, and it's just over 3,200 square feet. They have many different floor plans that they offer to build throughout the Richmond area, but what's unique that they are able to do in this community is add on the modern elevation. Please enjoy the rest of this home tour. As always, I am your home girl. If you have any questions or real estate needs, whether you're looking to buy or sell, I am here. My information is down below, and you already know what I'm about to say. If you're not subscribed, what are you doing?